Hey everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys, and today I'll be showing you how to change the template of your Squarespace website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official squarespace.com website and log into your account. After logging in guys, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where you can see all the websites that you have. So guys, go ahead and find the website that you want to edit and click on it, and after clicking on it guys, now this will open up our website in the page. So guys, as you can see here, now we have successfully opened up our website, and as you can see, we currently have one template. So guys, the next thing you have to do is go ahead and look at the left side of the screen here where you have a lot of options. You can see there is a second option called design. So go ahead and click on design guys, and now you can see there is an option called site style. So clicking on site styles guys, now this will open up the right side of the screen. You can see that you can edit your fonts, your colors. Go ahead and edit colors. You can change whatever you guys want. Edit whatever font it will change for the website if you use it more carefully. You can change your fonts and so on and so on. You can change everything guys, but sadly you cannot change the current and whole template. You have to use the template that you have chosen while creating the website. If you want, you can change everything and it will look different, but you cannot change the template from zero. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. Go ahead and use these options. After you're done, go ahead into the upper left corner, click on save, and now your options will be saved and you have successfully changed whatever you want about your website. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.